just give you a little look at the bike really quick, guys, so you'll kind of know the setup, because I really don't talk about it a whole lot. The Big Boar here, 131. We did a picture of Harley Davidson. I've got that Mustang seat on that I absolutely love, Super Touring Deluxe. Got the backrest. I've got the lid covers, and I've got it all stitched up. They did it really well for me. Orange stitching and some really cool inlays of the Big Boar, Support 2 up, our logos. Right down there, you can see the Big Boar on the derby cover right there. That's from FLTRK Designs. We're going to move up here to my Pro Beast horn, custom dynamics, lights, my mirrors, all the lights all the way around. I'll just give you a view right now. Legend suspension, Memphis Shades, 6.5 inch, using their hand guards. Once again, custom dynamics mirrors. So the phone mount is tack form. I've been running it this year. They're super amazing people to work with, and that's my mount. I love it. I've been searching for years. We could go down to exhaust. Chromeworks exhaust, no doubt the best there is out there. There's nothing like here in the Chromeworks. And their intake. We move on back here. You can see the legends poking out right there. Yeah, those canisters. Super cool, it's easy to set. Then you can look at my luggage that I'm running right here. Whew. Nelson rig. Absolutely. Hands down, once again, some of the best products out there that is out there on this bike. Top notch, top shelf. I could go into a little bit more. KST bars, they built those for me. So, loving these. They got a lot of different choices. Go check them out. Fairing exchange. So, that fairing up there, color match here, here, and lowers. And that leads me to Hawk Tunes. That's right. That's what I got right there. The Wild Boar upgrade. Speakers here, here, rear, and 3 amps inside the fairing. Amazing, amazing sound. Okay, picture of Harley Davidson, of course, put it all together. And I want to thank real quick Rainwater Holt Saxon. They're our attorneys. So, with all that going in and coming out of my mouth into your ears, let's go check out Doc's Harley Davidson here in St. Louis. Ciao.